Meaning of Geoffrey Chaucer.
Geoffrey Chaucer.
Geoffrey Chaucer.
Geoffrey Chaucer.
Geoffrey Chaucer. Geoffrey Chaucer was an English poet and author who lived in the 14th century. He is known as the father of English literature and is famous for his work, The Canterbury Tales. Chaucer's writing was significant because he wrote in Middle English, a language that was spoken by the common people rather than the elite. His literature portrayed a wide range of characters from different social classes and provided insight into life during the medieval period. Chaucer's work is celebrated for its humor, realism, and social commentary that still resonates with readers today.